There's a hidden part of you that holds both pain and power, and if you face it, you can unlock the life you've been waiting for. This is called shadow work. And today, we're learning how to do it using the teachings of Carl Jung. He was one of the most famous psychologists in the world. He believed the key to happiness is knowing your true self, even the parts you try to hide. By the end of this video, you'll understand what shadow work is, why it's important, and how to start exploring your own shadow. Stay to the end, because I'll help you uncover your hidden patterns and show you how they lead to your greatest gifts. Let's begin. Shadow work matters because many people feel stuck in life. They feel tired. They repeat the same problems and they don't know why. Carl Jung said, "Until you make the unconscious conscious, it will direct your life, and you will call it fate." That means the parts of you that you don't see still shape your choices. They live in what he called the shadow. So, what is the shadow? Your shadow is made of all the parts of you that you push away. Maybe you hide your anger. Maybe you hide your fear. Maybe you hide your dreams. You might say, "That's not who I am." But deep down, those parts are still there, and they want to be seen. We all have a shadow. It doesn't make you bad. It makes you human. You create your shadow when you're little, to fit in, to be liked, to feel safe. But sometimes you push away the parts of you that are actually powerful. Your honesty, your strength, your creativity, your bold ideas. So, how do you bring them back? Here's how to start shadow work the way Jung taught. Step 1. Notice what upsets you. When something makes you angry or jealous, stop and ask, "What part of me is hurting?" This is a clue. Step 2. Write it down. Journal your thoughts, even the ones that feel messy or mean. Let them out on the page. There's no right or wrong, just truth. Step 3. Have a little talk. Close your eyes. Imagine the sad or scared part of you. Ask it, "What do you want me to know? What are you trying to protect?" This is called active imagination. Jung used this method to talk to the shadow with love, not fear. When you do shadow work, you begin to feel lighter, you make better choices, you stop reacting the same way, and you understand yourself more deeply. And guess what? Your shadow might hold gifts too, like confidence, creativity, magic. These gifts were hidden under pain. But now, they're coming back to you. Want to try it now? Ask yourself, what do I hide from others? What makes me jealous of someone else? What do I wish I could say, but don't? Write your answers in a journal. That's your shadow saying hello. You don't need to fix it all at once. Just notice it. That's the first step. You just took a brave step on your healing path, but you're not done yet. If you want to go even deeper, watch our next video. It's all about the 12 archetypes of Carl Jung. That's where you'll learn more about the characters living inside you and how they shape your story. Click the video link to keep discovering your true self. Your journey is just beginning. And remember, when you love all parts of you, you unlock your light.